First and foremost, congratulations! Your wedding day is going to be so much fun and exciting. Now, you may have been to weddings before or at least seen them on TV. You want your wedding day to be memorable. So keep watching if you want to go from basic decor to personalized decor. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Weddings are so expensive, believe me. I had mine and OMG. But you also wanted to stand out too. So this is the top 4 wedding decor categories on what to buy for your wedding or for somebody else's wedding. Believe me, it is definitely okay to help out on the wedding. It is so needed. But, hold up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite wedding day activity. It can be something that's on the table that you are just like fond of, or just a real activity that you can do for the wedding, such as dancing or any games. Comment down below. So we're about to sit back, relax, and you know we're about to get onto this. All the gifts and activities that are mentioned in this video are going to be in the description box below. Let's go. Your wedding day is going to be full of excitement and some nervousness too. You are going to second guess every little thing that you did, from the simplest table arrangements to making sure your guests know where they are going. So it is a great thing to actually have a banner or a sign for confirmation for your guests, so they know that they are in the right place. And everyone loves taking pictures at weddings and posting them. This photo frame prop takes it to a whole nother level. One of the many things that I do regret about my wedding day was not having a wedding guest book or anything for the guests to sign, just to look back on and look at all the well wishes from the guests. So I definitely advise getting a wedding guest book. But of course, in this video, you're not going to get the average guest book. Who wants to be average? Why not have a signature vase or a picture frame that people can sign their names on and add a little message or two? Or if you want to be a little more fun and kid-like, why not have wedding blocks to create a fun game of a wedding tower? Each wedding guest can sign their own block. Throughout the wedding ceremony, of course, there's going to be a time where it's going to be toasting time, and your guest is going to give their own special advice to you or to the couple. So that newlywed couple is going to be drinking a lot and taking a lot of sips from their glasses. So their glasses should be one of a kind and distinctive from the rest of the wedding party. It's also a special treat to see your name, or for the females, your future name, on everything. Why not put it on your champagne glass? That way, on each anniversary, you can always be reminded of that special bubbly that you had on your wedding day and all the well wishes and advice. One of the fun things about planning a wedding is all the potential food and the wedding cake. Wedding cakes come in all sizes, shapes, colors, and flavors. Make yours even more special with a personalized cake topper. Whether you want it to be a little more floral or keep it simple, these cake toppers will make sure your guests are in awe and make your cake look even more incredible. And don't forget to get the perfect cake server for that special moment of the first dessert between you and your spouse.
after the ceremony, you're definitely going to want to
I
dance
don't
the
know
night
of
away.
anybody that can
Why
plan a
not play
wedding
some
by
games
themselves.
too?
There's
If you
always
have
a
an
great
outside
party
wedding,
behind
why
you to
not
help
play
you
a
through those rough
personalized
times.
game of
In this
cornhole?
next
Or
video,
having
there are great
personalized
ideas to
wedding
say
spinner
thank you to
to
your wedding
just dish
party
out some fun
without breaking
commands
the
to your
budget.
wedding guests.
Check it out.
Now, if you are a couple that loves sports, why not have a little twist for the guest book? Turn whatever sports ball that you love into the wedding guest book. That will be so much fun and so memorable as the years go on. The point is, just to enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Congratulations to the couple, or congratulations to the couple that you know. Be safe. Gigi out. Now, your wedding day is going to be exciting and fun and memorable. And I just hit my thing and I don't know if they heard it. Okay. Keep watching if you want your wedding decor to go from basic to personalized. Stay tuned. Damn, the horn! And the motorcycle. This is why I hate the summertime.